It's important to approach discussions about poverty and wealth with sensitivity, as individuals and their circumstances vary widely. That being said, here are some general insights that could potentially help people improve their financial situations. 1. Financial education. Understanding basic financial concepts, such as budgeting, saving, and investing, is crucial. Many resources, both online and offline, offer free information on personal finance. 2. Entrepreneurship. Some people may not be aware of the opportunities for entrepreneurship. Starting a small business or freelancing can be a path to financial independence. Online platforms provide various avenues for selling products or services. 3. Networking. Building a strong professional network can open doors to job opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship. Networking can help individuals learn about potential career paths and access hidden job markets. 4. Skill development. Acquiring new skills or improving existing ones can enhance employability and open up new income streams. Online courses, vocational training, and community resources can be valuable in this regard. 5. Mindset shift. Adopting a positive and proactive mindset toward money is crucial. Understanding the potential of one's abilities and being open to opportunities can lead to a more fruitful financial journey. 6. Saving and investing. Many people may not be aware of the benefits of saving and investing. Learning about different investment options, even on a small scale, can help build wealth over time. 7. Government assistance programs. Some individuals may not be aware of government programs or nonprofit organizations that offer assistance. These resources can provide support in times of need or help with education and job training. 8. Financial planning. Creating a financial plan helps individuals set goals, prioritize spending, and allocate resources efficiently. It's essential for both short-term stability and long-term financial success. 9. Credit and debt management. Understanding how credit works and managing debt responsibly is crucial. Poor credit can limit access to financial opportunities, while responsible credit use can be a tool for building financial stability. 10. Health and wellness. Physical and mental health are closely tied to financial well-being. Taking care of one's health can reduce medical expenses and improve overall productivity. It's important to recognize that systemic issues, inequality, and various external factors also play a significant role in financial situations. While personal responsibility and education are important, addressing broader societal challenges is equally essential for promoting financial well-being for everyone.